and I'm off to the village on a solo 2-night camp. Got 2 nights off work this week, so I'm not going to waste them. So I'm just walking in nice and slowly, and I'm not going to lie, I should have made 2 journeys, but I thought I could do this in one. And I've basically just got like chainsaw, chest bag, full Bergen on my back. It's quite epic. I'll show you when I get to camp. So there, I'm at camp now. My chainsaw, my backpack, and this is my food bag here. Pretty much the same size as my backpack. Yeah, I am going to start getting set up. Get my fire lit. So I just unhook my sleeping bag. And that's all my shelter stuff there. I have my hammock up on my tarp now. I'm really getting sorted now. I'm still using this multicam DD frontline hammock. So yeah, I'm gonna get my fire lit, I think. So I'm just burning off my grill so I can make some burgers. Just all different colours, looks quite flash. There we go, guys. I have my caramelised onion burgers in brioche buns, some lettuce. I'm gonna have tomato sauce with mine too. So I'm quite happily chilling next to my fire now. Just finished my burgers. Tasted amazing with the caramelised onion in them. Getting ready to go at my hammock and get some shut-eye, I think. And that's me for tonight. So yeah, we'll catch you all in the morning. Morning. So I'm now up. Just having a little look around. I've just seen a group of 4 deer over there. Like literally, as I walked towards them, they just took legs and pegged it over the field at the back end. My hammock. I slept like a baby last night. All I had in there was just my sleeping bag. and I use my wool blanket and bivy bag as a pillow. That's all. And that was lovely and warm. Got my food bag on the table covered by my poncho. So I'm going to get my fire lit and get some coffee on the go. That's what I'm doing. Awesome. I've got my little gas stove on just to get a fast coffee on the go. While I'm just collecting wood for my fire. I've got some here. I got it from the bit of woodland that's already, well, that's still standing. This bit over here. That bit. Just got it from there, dragged it over. We're starting to spit now, as you can see. Let me get this fire lit. I've just been collecting more firewood, and I've just fell over and ripped my shin on a tree stump. I just tripped right over it, and the top of the tree stump hit that part of my shin. It's quite painful. And now it's just like proper raining now, and windy. We do love our British weather. So for breakfast I'm having kippers and bacon rolls, cheese rolls. I'm just over here burning off my grill now. Be ready soon. So bacon's on the go, kippers almost done. They're looking good. Smoky. Here we go, bacon cheese rolls, and I'm going to get my kippers now. In my kippers, cooked to perfection, as always. So I'm just chilling for 5 next to my fire and what's left of my Swedish fire log. Just made part 1 of the video of that, so yeah. I've just also took 10 minutes to build this entire massive wall section because the wind that's coming through here is diabolical. So yeah, I've just padded that up thick just as some sort of little windbreak. And I think I'm going to do between each TP2 just to stop the wind cutting through here. Because if it's bad now, I imagine it's going to be a lot worse in winter. And that's what this is originally, a winter camp anyway, so yeah. I just supported them on top of the teepees instead of to that tree, because obviously that tree is going to move when the wind gets bad, so I don't want it shaking my shit to pieces. Excuse my language. Yeah. Centre beam too, just to support the middle, because it's quite a big thing and I don't want it flopping in the middle. Yeah, I've got my makeshift kitchen around here. I just banged the tarp up because we were getting heavy showers and the wind, as you can see, has just took the moss right off the corner of that. But I need to put weights on it as I put the moss back on, so I'll do that another time. This is just a player camp this week, I think. But nah, enjoying it, and it's good to be out for more than 1 night for a change. So it's been like 2 weeks since I've been out for 2 nights. It's about dinner time, I think. And also, I just wanted to point out, even though this wood's been levelled, can see the amount of growth we have already. The birch is starting to come up again, pretty much just as fast as they're cutting them down, which is a good thing. So no doubt we'll have a waist high by next year. I've just spotted some logs with my name on it. I love it. I love this place. It's magical. I'm just out on the steel. I see a nice pile of wood over here that I can either use or oh, I see some nice dry bits there. Oh, those lumberjacks have been busy. It's all pretty much more beam material. I see a nice bit of dry stuff. Oh man, look at them logs. I'm not allowed to touch the ones with blue. Lunchtime, I think. So lunch for starter, I'm having a nice salmon salad, and for main course I'm having lamb steaks and macaroni cheese. Hell yes. And also because Gary gave me a lift here and he's picking me up tomorrow and taking me home, and it's just spot on. I'm going to make him some Cajun chicken because he's coming later. And it's his favourite, so yeah, I've got a lot of Cajun chicken. That's my salmon right there. Nice and nice. Spot on. It's turned out quite a nice day even though it's windy. My salmon salad. My main course, lamb steaks have been on the go. Nice. My chicken is almost done in there. Macaroni's there, just warming up on the rocks gradually. Nice and slowly. I'm sure looking forward to this. That wall has sort of diverted some of the wind. It'll be a lot better once it's mossed. Yeah. It's been a beautiful day. There we go, my lamb steak and macaroni cheese. Nice. And there is the Cajun chicken, finished. I'm just going to wrap it in fresh tin foil and keep it for Gary. I'm going to have a few. I'm going to have 3. I think 3. Yeah. Sun's gonna go down shortly, I think. Still quite bright like, but it's heading that way. I'm just having a wander around, still scoping firewood, because my stone fire pit eats wood like there's no tomorrow. The sun pretty much down now. Just chilling by my fire. And that's me, second night. We had a brilliant day. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Good morning. Oh. It's a nice crisp morning. Fire's out. Oh. So once again, this is the end. Back out again next week, hopefully 2 nights, if not definitely 1. I'm all packed up now. Just having one look around. I've got Gary's chair there. That's what's left of that Swedish fire log. The one that I cut a few more times last night. Quite epic, just played around the whole time while I was here. It was awesome. Never done anything too strenuous either. Apart from the back wall was a bit of a mission, getting that big post up. All good. Right, I'm going to head back. So that's me out now in my lift. Aye, awesome. I'm out of here. Just out looking at another patch of land. It's no good to camp on, I can't camp here. But in walking back, I stumbled across this. Look at that! How epic! Totally awesome. Amazing.